Moose, what are the solutions with PayPal? Do you know someone that can help me increase this limit, or maybe stop having this reserve, or this or that? I will answer in this video what is possible. First thing is possible is recovery. So if you have an account with money held, it's possible to have a lawyer and do a process to recover your funds. It's not always successful, it depends on your case, everything depends, but that's possible to do that. Another one, and that's what I recommend you, is open an account with a direct account manager. You can try to have to talk to a sales, and the sales try to connect you with an account manager. That's definitely what I recommend you. It's not something easy, but over time you can make it. The best that you can do is try to get an introduction. It's like try to get an introduction to a PayPal account manager, and some jurisdiction it's available, and this introduction will basically help you get access to one or multiple PayPal accounts, and help you build a relationship with them, because maybe they're trying to grow in that region, in that area, and you want to leverage this to like build a relationship with the account manager. But it's really more about relationship and building something on the long run. That way you'll be all good to go. So if you guys looking for maybe recovery or account opening, we can help you do that. If you're also looking for maybe bank opening, we have an offer where we help you with PayPal, banks, and Hong Kong structure, Hong Kong company. So if it's something that can be interesting for you, we can discuss about it and see how it can be a fit for your business. And what matters is having the bank introduction. So if you get those introduction to PayPal and several banks, of course you're using some leverage, because if you're doing it yourself, you risk to just get restricted, or maybe they will refuse you because they don't know you. Again, it's about relationship. So whatever you do, you should be wondering, you should be thinking, okay, how can I do it a way where someone help me, introduce me? Because otherwise they don't know you, so why would they risk having you supporting your business, you know? So in this game, in nowadays, it's like that. It's really relationship over just doing a process. Just doing a process will not get you there. If you're looking to scale at a high level, you need to have contacts. You need to have people that will help you doing this bridge between you and this or this platform. Guys, if this is valuable for you, drop us a like, send us a quick DM in WhatsApp, tell us your questions and maybe some stuff you might be wondering about this. And yeah, let's discuss about it and see how it can help you with opening more PayPal accounts and scaling more business with PayPal, which is one of the best solutions to collect payments. So yeah. Guys, see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and join our Discord channel, see what we have to offer you guys.